Welcome everyone. Welcome to my friend's train layout. I'm here with my friend Kevin. Hi Kevin.
Hi.
And I'm here with his wife Janet. Hi Janet.
Hi.
And there's Stacy, you know her. And we have the most amazing train layout. We're not in a museum. We're not at the choo-choo barn. We are in someone's basement, Kevin's basement. We have O trains, we have S trains, we got HO. We have the most amazing Disney World town square here you've ever seen. We have Elvis, the king of rock and roll. Thank you. We have bells, whistles. Where's my whistle? Oh, excuse me. I think I just stepped on someone's hand. Come around here. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Here's the control track. Here's the control center. This is the brains of the entire operation right here. Oh wait, here comes. Who's this? It's Pepe Le Pew. We've got Warner Brothers. We've got. Oh wait, here comes Elvis, the king of rock and roll.
Thank you very much. And that one has the spotlight. You know, Duchess, I just rolled. He's running on the railroad. You need to take a picture of the Elvis spotlight. I was on the step of our friend's house down the block. We were listening to the radio. Yeah, I know it's on. I've got the...
Over there, on that gun rack, Kevin's not a gun guy. Those are all rifles that you have been able to purchase in Frontierland and Liberty Square and Kirby and Plaza. Remember in the old days when you used to be able to get the guns?
Yes.
He's got the whole set.
Oh,
We have a race. It's a race. It's the great train race. The great locomotive race.
Now neck to neck. That's funny.
Here comes the king of rock and roll in HO. HO Elvis Presley model. Look at that.
Slow and steady.
This tremendous layout took, how many years did this take to construct, sir?
17.
17 years. And how many years were you collecting?
24.
24. I think it's longer. My favorite part of this whole layout is this Walt Disney World town square. That guess who built this? Guess who built this with their own hands and sweat? Not Kevin. Nope, not me. But guess who?
Us.
Janet and Stacy. While Janet and Stacy were doing this, what were we doing that night? We were doing something else productive, I'm sure. Wait, I just thought of something I have to say.
Listen, these are the best we've done with what we have.
I think the bell is great. Don't stop it. We're trying to shoot a vlog every day this summer. Every day we get up before the crack of dawn to come up with an idea to show you and bring you something tremendous. And today it's this. I did not see that. What's that hat?
Disney train.
Oh, I need that. Wait. I wear many hats on this railroad. I'm changing
Oh,
this.
this is a nice pin.
This is the Disney Railroad conductor's, not conductor, but the engineer hat. Oh, wait, I gotta get out of the way. The train's coming. All aboard! You're doing a great job, Captain.
Thank you.
You will be on YouTube tonight.
them make noise. Making them blow smoke. That I remember well. John Lennon died on my 16th birthday. December 8th. How come the engine is pushing the car?
Because it got in front, but I have to.
Oh.
Here
I
we go.
thought I missed you. You have to start to play your music. So, uh-oh, we have a collision. Right here, collision.
Okay, we ran out of battery on the phone. A train had a collision. Elvis has left the building. He fell off the track on, is this the day he died?
No, it was the 16th.
Oh, well, I don't know. It was close. So, thanks for joining us. Where are we? We're in Toms River, New Jersey at Kevin's Train House. Thanks for letting us ride the rails, Kevin. Kevin's a little upset because Elvis fell off the track.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's it.
Thank you very much.
Thank you. Yeah, he said, thank you very much.
So, he was taking and doing and whatever. So, it was